Hey ho, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at. Just a very quick video today in relation to this, the Nescafé Dolce Gusto by Krups. I'll just bring you over here. I've had quite a few of these wee machines over the years. I don't know why I'm holding on to them, because I was planning to take them apart and actually have a look to see what they're like on the inside, just out of pure nosiness and geekiness. But I think what happened with this one was eventually when I opened it, it just popped, and from there on I wasn't able to work the machine. It's not working any longer, so I picked up this other one, different shape. There's one thing I don't like about that machine, a big red lid. I mean, you imagine that's in your nice kitchen. This isn't the office here, right? But if that was in your nice kitchen, you really would be going off your nut. Big ugly looking red lid. Anyway, leads aside, the point of this video today is about this locking. If you've ever had the trouble where you've came and you just cannot get it open, there is a very quick fix for it, and it's really quite simple. Just make sure your machine's turned off. So I'll turn mine off. This of course won't open when it's locked, and there is a really simple fix, and a lot of people miss this. It's nothing to do with down here, whatever. It's so simple. So if you're ready, deep breath, this is how you fix it. You basically switch that to the middle and it'll pop up, no problem. Now, don't hate on me because of this. It's a very simple, I mean, my father-in-law's got this same machine, and I mean, he's had trouble with this. There's been many people like him had trouble like this. I've done it myself where I've come in and went, why is that not opening? Why is, you know, because it's really quite, and if you pull it in really hard, you'll probably break it. So don't do that. Just make sure always to the middle, flick it up, and boom, you're in business. Alright, so hopefully, if you're having trouble with your Krups Dolce Gusto, any of the machines, if it's this one specifically, just remember it's an easy fix. Always have it in the middle, and boom, you're in business. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in to this one. Don't forget, have a wee look at all the videos throughout the channel. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.